Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you my childhood favorite recipe my mom used to make. This is her recipe and I loved it a lot. You can make it when you are out of vegetables. Sharing this awesome recipe with y'all. Come on. At first, we will dry roast the sliced onions on medium heat until they turn light brown. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes and you will see the color changing. Now we will add some oil and fry for a minute. Add in the garlic cloves, ginger and mix, and then add in the grated coconut. Continue frying for a minute. At this point, add in the green chilies and the red chilies and mix well. We will keep this aside to cool a bit and then add in the coriander leaves and we will grind this to a smooth paste with some water. Perfect. Let's make the curry. Add some oil and fry the prepared masala until you see oil separate. Now we will season this with Kashmiri red chili powder and salt and mix well. The detailed recipe with measurements is in the description box below. Cover and keep cooking for 5 minutes. Wow, the oil has separated and the aroma is lovely. At this point, we will add in the hot water depending on the consistency you prefer. See how the oil separated immediately? Mix well and we will allow this to bring to a boil and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for more yummy recipes coming your way every week. See how the oil has separated? Meanwhile, we will fry some cubed potatoes until they are slightly golden. This way, the potatoes hold their shape in the curry. Once done, we will drop them in the curry which is boiling and mix well. Cover and cook until the potatoes are soft. We will add in the curry leaves at this point for more flavor. Continue cooking. Wow! Look how wonderful the potato curry looks. The oil has separated and the potatoes are cooked. Remember, this curry thickens a bit, so adjust water accordingly. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.